Hi everyone. Unveiled in October 2022, the new 2023 BMW M2 is already eligible to receive a wide selection of factory-developed M Performance parts. The list of add-ons announced by the Munich-based carmaker includes carbon fiber trim, forged wheels, and a lighter exhaust system. All the retrofit products in the BMW M Performance Parts portfolio stand out with their high-impact design, exclusive materials, and top quality. The BMW M Performance exterior components for the new BMW M2 therefore match the two-door model's styling and geometry to perfection. And they have already undergone homologation alongside the overall vehicle, meaning they comply with statutory safety regulations as well as the BMW Group's own strict standards. BMW M leveraged its 5 decades of racing experience to give future M2 owners numerous customization options. Starting with the outside, the company designed a carbon fiber body kit that includes a front splitter, inserts for the front air intakes, side skirts, a rear spoiler, and a rear diffuser. M Performance titanium and carbon fiber exhaust tips and a red M branded toe strap add a finishing touch to the look. M Performance tailpipe trims in titanium and carbon fiber are available as an eye-catching addition to the standard exhaust system fitted on the new BMW M2. Their sophisticated mix of materials and perforated inner pipes lend the rear end a highly exclusive air. The M Performance forged wheels offered for the new BMW M2 also provide the ideal ingredients for an extremely sporty driving style. Further adding to the dramatic looks of the M2 is the lowered ride height, achieved through the fitment of height-adjustable spring cups at the front and rear that lower the ride height by up to 10 mm. M Performance forged wheels are also available, measuring 20 inches at the front, 21 inches at the rear, and available in either M Frozen Gold Bronze or M Jet Black Matte. The BMW M Performance Parts range also features high-grade components for the interior of the BMW M2 that bring targeted enhancements to its sports car cockpit. The M Performance interior trim panels in carbon fiber Alcantara offered in combination with Alcantara knee pads intensify the racing car aura inside the cabin. The elaborately handcrafted interior trim panels are made from open-pore, matte-coated carbon fiber and come with M Performance badging in brushed aluminium. Also available as an individual option, the Alcantara M Performance knee pads offer additional support under particularly hard cornering and set the seal on the sporting ambience. A matching M Performance armrest in Alcantara is also available for the center console of the new BMW M2. The M Performance Steering Wheel Pro is ideal for cornering with supreme precision. It features a distinctly contoured grip area in Alcantara with large thumb rests and a special lining, while the rim's upper section and slightly flattened lower section are wrapped in top-quality full leather. All the components were developed on the back of BMW M GmbH's motor racing expertise, and the experience it has garnered over 5 decades, and have been precisely tuned to match the two-door model's specific characteristics. They reinforce the purebred performance credentials of the new BMW M2, whose compact dimensions, 338 kilowatts, 460 horsepower, 6-cylinder inline engine, optionally available 6-speed manual gearbox, sophisticated chassis technology and rear-wheel drive make the first step into the world of high-performance cars from BMW M GmbH a hugely enticing one. The aforementioned parts will be available to order when M2 deliveries begin in April 2023. Pricing hasn't been announced yet. Thank you for watching the video, and do not forget to support us, like and subscribe to the channel. Thank you, and have a great day.